Yes, I do. Oh, my darling, express beauty of true love. With happiness, I'm sure